A Jefferson Parish Code Enforcement complaint ended up in a criminal courtroom today.
A man who recorded video of a scrapyard being run out of the house next door says he became the target of parish officials because he wouldn't stop complaining. Investigative reporter David Hammer was in court today and files this report.
Never broke any laws, but I was treated today and for the last 6 months like I broke laws.
After a long, drawn-out fight with his former neighbor in Metairie, Woody Mulkey can finally rest easy. Criminal misdemeanor charges against him were thrown out today.
So today feels like a win. It feels like a good day. One of the best days of my life.
Mulkey is emotional because for years he built video evidence against his next-door neighbor for hauling heavy machinery and tossing scrap around day after day and night after night. He complained to the parish president, the parish council, and finally to us. But he felt Jefferson Parish Code Enforcement was targeting him in response.
In my opinion, in response to asking for too much help.
Code Enforcement Officer Edgar Lane came to visit Mulkey's block in October, and Mulkey began taking cell phone video of the visit. Lane called the cops and had Mulkey charged with interference with a code enforcement officer, a misdemeanor.
Talked to Edgar Lane, the code enforcement agent, and his story didn't meet up at all with the facts.
Lane told police that Mulkey, quote, kept advancing toward him in an aggressive manner and refused to back away. But Mulkey's video shows they never talked, and Mulkey never got close to Lane. Lane also told police Mulkey blocked him from leaving in his parish truck, forcing him to back the truck up to get away. The video and a surveillance camera on Mulkey's home show Lane driving off unimpeded. Jefferson Parish prosecutors saw the video today and dismissed the charges.
Thank God I had video.
So, did Jefferson Parish target Mulkey for complaining so loudly? Parish President Mike Yenny said no.
No retribution whatsoever. I don't operate like that. I've never operated like that. We don't do selective code enforcement.
David Hammer, Eyewitness News.
And the district attorney's office refuses to say exactly why they agreed to dismiss the charges today. Parish Chief Operating Officer Keith Conley issued a statement standing by Edgar Lane and his claim, but also respecting the court's final ruling.